Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, I'm going to share with you a super fast and easy dinner. It will be done in less than 20 minutes, and your family will love it. So let's get started. All right, friends, so let's get started. So here I've got my stainless steel pot. We are going to go ahead and put this on a about a medium-high heat. And we're gonna let this warm up, and then we're gonna go in with a couple of tablespoons of butter. All right, so there's our 2 tablespoons of butter. And to that, we're gonna add a half of a white onion. Go ahead and give this a stir. And we're gonna let this go until our onions are translucent. All right, friends, while we're waiting on this to saute, we're gonna work on our green chilies. Now these are Hatch, New Mexico chilies. These were given to me by my good friend. So we are gonna go through, probably do about 4 of these. They have their seeds still in them. So depending on your heat tolerance, you can either leave the seeds or you can take them out. My hubby and I don't really like too hot. My father-in-law loves hot. For the sake of hubby and I'm going to remove the seeds. All right, let's go ahead and chop these up real quick. I'm gonna go in with some garlic and our chilies. Got some cumin, some oregano, some pepper, and some Knorr chicken bouillon. Give all this a good stir. I've got some white beans and 4 cups of chicken broth. Now to go on with our chicken. All right, this is chicken that I cooked in my Instapot, and I went ahead and shredded it. It's a whole chicken. And I'm gonna go in with 2 nice scoops. All right, friends, so we're gonna let this come up to a nice boil. All right, friends, our chili is all done. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a bowl. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, friends, now to add to this, for me, I'm gonna put some sour cream because chili and sour cream just is amazing. And I'm also gonna go in with some shredded cheese. And you can put any kind of cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm just gonna put what I got. And there we go, friends, our white chicken chili. Now let's give this a try. All right, friends, let's go in for this taste test. That was so good and so easy. You see, we made that in like 10 minutes. Super comforting, nice and warm for a cold night. Definitely give this recipe a try, friends. It is amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think and whether you prefer to have regular chili or if you've had this white chicken chili before and what your opinion is. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.